Today I'm making broccoli in the air fryer. The only ingredients you need are some broccoli and olive oil. First, take your crown of broccoli and cut it up into florets. You want the florets to be about the same size so that they cook evenly. You can also leave the stems a little bit long or cut them shorter like I'm doing here. Once they're all cut up, just put them in a bowl and drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. And then give that a toss to kind of distribute the olive oil all the way around. You might want to season with a little bit of salt and pepper and then give it another toss. Then it's ready to put in the air fryer basket. I like to make a single layer to help all the roasting and browning to take place. Place it in the air fryer. 8 to 10 minutes at 400 is usually just about enough, but if you have slightly larger florets, you might need a minute or two longer. Once it's done to your satisfaction, just serve it and enjoy.